Greetings, River Lady here, and my hydrangeas have arrived from HydrangeasPlus. Now the reason I'm doing this in my house on my dining room table instead of outside is because it is cold and rainy out. What happened? Yeah, I know, this is spring in New England. Many cold, rainy days. Okay, so let's get my plants out and see how they look. They don't, HydrangeasPlus does not send, am I in on the camera? Yay! Does not send the plants in pots. Oh, I see green. I know, I get excited when I see green. Okay. Let's put that there and see which one this is. So this is, I don't have my glasses on. Hydrangeas? I need my glasses. Hold on, I'm going to get my glasses. I can't remember what I ordered. Oh wait, I have the invoice. Yeah, all right, so this is Hydrangeas. And let me flash a picture up of what Hydrangeas is going to look like. All right, it looks healthy. It looks like it's in good shape. Tomorrow's supposed to be a decent day. My dirt arrived, which is a mixture of screened loam and compost. Here you can see it being dumped into my driveway. So these little babies will get planted tomorrow. All right, so that's Hydrangeas. I'll put it that up there. Can you still see it? Yes. Okay. Packed pretty well. The UPS guy wasn't that gentle with them. He kind of put it upside down on my steps. There I am. You're seeing me in my ratty flannel shirt because it's a day to just stay in the house and play Mobile Legends on my phone. All right, this little guy this is my panicle hydrangea, and this is fire. Am I still? Yep, I'm still there. Fire and ice. And this is what fire and ice will look like. Yay! Okay. Oh, you poor thing. You got packed on the bottom. Something that I have to read. Am I? Yep, I am. Okay. So I will keep these in the house because it is cold out. All right, a little bit of damage. No big deal, no big deal. Nothing we can't handle. All right. And this is losing leaves like crazy. Oh, you are. I would think they could do a different way of shipping you guys. This is Carol Mosley. Okay. And this is what Carol Mosley is going to look like, hopefully. All right. Okay. Last but not least, hang on, I'll put that there. I'm coming around to the other side. Okay. And this should be Blue Danube. This is my Blue Danube. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, some serious damage. They could pack these better, I would think, instead of wrapping them up in paper and crushing them. But I suppose they'll survive, won't they? Okay, so that's Blue Danube. Some damage. I'm not thrilled with how HydrangeasPlus packed their plants. This is just instructions on what they want me to do with them. Please contact them within 48 hours if there's anything wrong with the plants. We hope that you will assist us in any recommendation we offer to improve the condition of our plants. Be sure to keep all the packing materials if you want to ship them back to us. So I have to keep all the newspaper, but I'm not going to ship them back. I mean, they got shipped. I mean, it's really hard to ship live plants. So they're okay. They're a little flat. They'll fill out. Hydrangeas are very forgiving. I'm not expecting a lot this year from my little hydrangeas, these new hydrangeas. Not expecting blossoms or anything. And that's it. Okay. Thank you. This is River Lady saying thank you for watching my impromptu reveal, and happy gardening. Bye. Ha! You thought the video was over, didn't you? Well, it's not. I could not put the plants in the ground today, which is the day after I did the reveal video, so it's April 2nd, because it is freezing out. It's about 32 degrees, and then the wind chill is bringing it down to in the 20s. So my hydrangeas cannot go in the ground just yet. They cannot go in the ground for a couple of weeks. I don't know what I was thinking. I was lulled into a sense of security by the 60-degree days and balmy nights. But in all truth, my spring frost date isn't until towards I think it's April 24th or 21st. It's not for a few weeks. And these poor hydrangeas cannot go outside, especially be outside at night, because they'll die. So I am going to pot them, and I thought you might want to see what one of them looks like under all the plastic wrapping. So let's do it up. Let's start with my Blue Danube. And I have pots set up with my loam in them. I'm going to have to take my gloves off because I cannot untie this. Oh, screw that, I can't untie it anyway. Just going to cut the plastic without cutting my fingers and bleeding out on the video. Okay, hi, welcome. So let me bring this in tight to the camera. You can see all the roots packed in tight. All right, Blue Danube, let's get you in a pot. Okay, now I'm going to put my gloves on. I have loam in the bottom of this pot. It's the screened loam that also has compost mixed in with it, and I'm not too worried about how high the plant is sitting. Not at all. This is just a temporary home for the plant. I am going to have the plant stay on this work area because it does get sun during the morning hours. As you can see, right now it's around, I think it's around 11:30, and they'll do fine on mild days where the wind chill is not so cold. I will bring the plants out and get them hardened, and then when we get some consistently mild nights where we don't go down below freezing, I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, one plant done. Blue Danube is done. So he will stay here and ride the next couple of weeks. Voila, I am finished. They are all in the screened loam / compost. I don't have to water them yet because the pods or the pouches of roots that were in the plastic were saturated, so I'm not going to bother watering them. The panicle hydrangea at the end, Fire and Ice, that can actually go out because it doesn't have any broad leaves that are going to get damaged if the weather gets too cold. But I'm going to leave him here at least until the middle of next week, and the rest will stay for about 2 weeks. When my other hydrangeas are ready to be fed and pruned back, then I'll put these puppies in their gardens, and I should have their gardens ready by then. Okay, now this video is over. Thank you for watching my HydrangeasPlus reveal, and happy gardening. Bye.